After 3 years, Grant and Brittany Morrow are putting the final touches on the renovation of one of the most historic properties in Antwerp, Ohio, the Bazali house. The home is located on 112 East River Street next to the Methodist Church and has been a building that has sparked the Morrows' curiosity for decades.
Mostly we just would walk past it when we were young, and we would go past it a lot, and my wife always said she really liked the old charm of the home. So once we ran our painting business, we've always kind of renovated homes and designed homes too. So it was always me and my wife's dream to renovate and design a home. So this was one of many, but this is one full that we've done completely.
Morrows purchased the home in January 2021 from Walter Lang with the intention of renovating and reselling the home. They started working on the home the following year. One of the first few steps involved removing the stucco on the outside of the home to expose the brick. After that, the Morrows demolished many parts in the interior, removing dozens of dumpsters of debris. Because of water damage, the Morrows also had to repair the roof. The water caused damage inside the house as well, so many of the original features of the home had to be removed or replaced. The renovation process has been difficult for the Morrows, who have had to constantly change plans and rework floor designs because of unexpected obstacles.
Every aspect has been hard, putting a plug cover on, to demoing, to carpet. The easiest part is what we're doing right now, just kind of sitting in it and enjoying it, enjoying the lighting and the colors, and actually being able to look at something that's not bad shape. It's closing in to where it's getting ready to sell. The easiest part will be handing the key to the next homeowner.
Despite the adversity the family has faced throughout this project, Grant has still loved being a part of it.
What I've enjoyed most is watching my wife's design come to life. There's been a lot of things where at first I'm like, I don't know if we should do that. And then once we got it done, I've seen her image. I've seen what she wanted come to life. And I've really been impressed with what she's done with the home as far as design and colors and everything else and open concepts. But that was probably the most enjoyable part of it all.
Brittany's design includes a 4-bedroom and 2.5 bath floor plan. There is a master bedroom and 1.5 baths on the main floor and 3 bedrooms, 1 bath upstairs. The main level also has a kitchen with a full island, a dining room, and a living room with a fireplace. While renovating the house, the Morrows learned a lot about the rich history of their property. Built in 1882, the historic home has been a part of Antwerp for well over a century. Harrison and Alice Gordon built the house after visiting their brother, who built the historic 1891 house across the street from the Genesis house.
Gordon and his brother both moved down here to build homes, and they started up a hardware company and a hub and spoke company. They own 2,000 acres for all this around here and actually wooded all that and got all that from those woods. So the other thing is Gordon was a big part of the Reservoir War. Gordon was the one that actually supplied the dynamite for the Reservoir Wars.
Grant also learned that Gordon's grandfather Samuel traveled alongside George Washington during the famous 1776 Christmas Eve crossing of the Delaware. Morrow says the next owners of the home were also very fascinating.
The one we know of is Frank and Anna Lamb, where the most interesting thing about them is they made the home into a hotel and actually had exotic animals such as alligators and monkeys.
The namesake for the home comes from Dr. Bazali, who inhabited the home for a period of time as well. Now the Morrows join the Gordons, the Lambs, and Dr. Bazali as a part of the Bazali's house historic timeline. Soon, the Morrows will put the Bazali house on the market. They're excited to see who becomes the new owners of the house that has been a big part of their lives for the past few years.
The thing I'd like to share the most is that me and my family have enjoyed working on the home. When I get down here, I feel better. And there was some of those days was hot and worn out, but the biggest thing I want people to know is it's a really nice, solid home. We've done the best we can on it, which is a lot. There might be something here and there, but at the end of the day, God's given me the ability to make it look like the way it does, and we really like what we see when we walk in here, so hopefully other people do too.
To learn more about the Bazali House renovation and watch the project come to an end, visit the Bazali House Reno or Bazali House Renovation Facebook page. Braylen and Moreno, ALSTV.